Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. How are you all guys? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. Today I will going to share how to make jawar roti. So now everyone knows how jawar healthy is and it is easy to digest and rich in antioxidants, fiber rich. So we should eat jawar oftenly 2-3 times a week we can have in our diet. So today I will share how to make jawar roti, but making jawar roti is little difficult for beginners, but once you get used to and once you practice then it is fine. Actually we need to consider three things while making jawar roti. First is it should be freshly ground jawar flour. The second thing is it should be very finely ground, and the third, we should not keep this for more than 2 weeks. We can store this for 2 weeks at room temperature. If it is more than 2 weeks, then it lose its elasticity, so it's hard to make jawar roti. So today I will share some tricks also how to make, and I hope you guys also learn how to make this. And I make in very traditional way because I learned that way, and for that making I use this kind of wooden plate. In Marathi we call it kathvat, in Kannada we call komanigi, and I don't know in English what we say, but we can say wooden plate. Usually in India, in every household we find this kind of steel big plate to making any dough, like wheat flour dough or rice roti dough, anything we can use this. Even jawar roti we can make in this, but I have practice making in this. So today I will share how I will how I make jawar roti. I am using jawar flour of brand Datar. It is better compared to other brands, and I know it is not freshly ground, it is packaged one, so I have to make something to get that authentic traditional jawar roti. And I hope you guys like this, and if you learn this roti, I would be very happy. And so let's see how to make this jawar roti. But before that, guys, if you like this video, if you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram, where I'm very active there. So please do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for many recipes, art, craft, fun and food, travel, etc. And so let's begin with the today's video. To make jawar roti, we need hot boiling water. So I kept water for boil. I have taken 2 cups of water, and here I am taking jawar flour. I will take 6 cups of jawar flour, and into that I will add 1.5, like 1.5 cup of oats flour. Here I am using rolled oats. I have just made flour in the mixie. And you can use any variety of oat flour, and the quantity of oats also depends on, if you are beginner, you just add more oats flour. I am now used to, so I am adding little bit only, and just mix together. And into this flour we need to add hot boiling water. The quantity of hot water also depends on, I am using less compared to, when I was beginner I used to use more hot water, but now I'm used to. But at least for 4 to 5 cups you use 1 cup of hot water, and pour into the flour and just mix it. Initially mix with the back of the spoon, and later you can mix with the hand. Just be careful, it is little hot. Now we have to make dough. So we will use normal regular room temperature water to make dough. Add little by little and knead nicely. Kneading dough is very important step. Slowly add water and knead dough. Kneading is very important to make nice jawar roti, and it is the basic and very important step. This is very important step. Very patiently you need to make this dough. It takes time, yes, it takes time, but it is very important, like to get that elasticity, as jawar flour is gluten free, so we need to knead it very nicely. And here you can see I have prepared dough very nicely. Now I will show you how to make jawar roti. Before making roti, I am here keeping iron tawa on the flame. Better use iron tawa, it is better. You can make this roti in non-stick pan also, but I prefer to make in iron tawa as it is traditional and I am very used to it. Applying little bit oil on it. Keep some flour for dusting, it is jawar flour only, and I have taken some quantity like a handful of quantity of dough. And again I am kneading. Yes, kneading is very important. I am keep on telling repeatedly, but yes guys, kneading is very important. As jawar flour is gluten free, so kneading is important to get that elasticity so that easily we can make jawar roti. In between you can just pour few drops of water and again knead it until you get that consistency soft dough. Initially I would suggest take a small ball so that it's easy for you to make. Take ball in between hand and press little to make flat, and then dust some flour on plate, and now start pressing. Initially press with fingers. Once it becomes size of your palm, then press with full hand like how I shown in this video. Just observe guys, you will come to know. Just gently we need to press it and roll it into very flat one or thin roti. Initially you can't be make it thin, but slowly by practice you can make it. In between I am dusting flour because the roti cannot move easily. Once it reach my hand size, I am using 2 hands to flatten it. It is practice guys, nothing else. Just you can practice and you can make these flat thin rotis. And then keep on the hot tawa, and immediately we need to pour some water. You can use wet cloth to pour some water, but I am used to with hand, so I am doing like this. Now this cooking process is also important. Once this water get evaporate, we need to flip that roti. After flipping, we need to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now if we can move it easily, then it is like yes, it is cooked that other side also. Also check if there are any brown spots, then you will come to know it is cooked. Again flip it. Now we need to press it down. We can press this with cloth also, but I am using this wooden one. Once you flip, you have to wait for 10 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds, and then start pressing, then it will come up. Otherwise it won't it won't take that steam inside. So once flip, you have to wait for 5 to 10 seconds. And yes, that is done. It is very tasty also, and I know it is easy to make. For me it is easy to make, and I hope you will learn with this video, like at least you will give try to make jawar roti. Here again I am showing one more jawar roti. Every time you make next jawar roti, you just scrap extra dough, whatever stuck to the plate. Maybe watching this video, few of may feel it is very hard to make, but guys, give it try. With the tricks and tips you will learn this. I am sure you will give it try, as we need to incorporate healthy food in our diet. And let me know in the comment section and also on Instagram. And yes, this is how I make jawar roti, and it is traditional method. I am very happy, I'm glad that I learned this, and thankful to my mom, she taught me, and also glad to share with you all, so that I can show you traditional method, and also it is like passing tradition to next generation. And I hope guys you like this video. Please like, share, and do consider subscribing to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Stay tuned until next time. Take care. Bye bye.